All right, let's talk about one of the biggest challenges we're all facing, the AI revolution and what it means for the American workforce. But you know what? This isn't going to be another doom and gloom story. This is a blueprint for American renewal. We're talking about a GI Bill for the AI age. It's a huge idea, and it's inspired by one of the best things this country has ever done. Let's dive in and see how it works.
So the whole mission, it starts with a really simple but powerful idea. And this quote just says it all. The solution we need, it isn't some brand new, complicated thing we have to invent from scratch. The engine for this change, it already exists, right in our own communities. We're talking about community colleges, the very institutions that built the American middle class in the first place.
But before we get to the solution, we really need to wrap our heads around the scale of the problem. We're staring down a fundamental shift in our economy, a brand new reality that's going to touch every single one of us.
You know, for centuries, the rule was pretty simple. If a company wanted to make more money, it had to hire more people. Well, post-labor economics is what happens when that rule just breaks. Think about it. An AI company can sell millions of new subscriptions, and their revenue just explodes, all without hiring a single new person. That historic link between a company doing well and creating jobs, it's decoupling, it's snapping, and that changes everything.
So what's pushing this change forward? It's a simple but relentless logic. When a machine can do a task better, faster, cheaper, and safer than a person, well, the economic choice to automate becomes basically unavoidable. From a business perspective, it starts to feel irrational not to make that switch.
And the stakes here, they couldn't be higher. Just look at that number, $1.2 trillion. Let that sink in. That's the total value of wages in the U.S. being paid for tasks that AI can now do. It's a massive number, and it represents millions of American livelihoods that are directly in the path of this change.
Now, this is where it gets really interesting. Where is the impact actually hitting the hardest? You know, the headlines are all focused on that 2.2% of jobs in places like Silicon Valley. But as you can see here, that's just the tip of the iceberg. The real vulnerability, that hidden 9.5%, is in back-office support, HR, logistics. These are the jobs that are the backbone of communities all across the American heartland.
This shift is creating a whole new class of displaced Americans. And the term for them is really powerful: labor refugees. And as this quote says, these folks aren't being displaced because they did anything wrong. It's because of progress. These are people who worked hard, played by the rules, and then one day woke up to find their skills are becoming obsolete. They need a new path forward, and they need it urgently.
But here's the thing. This isn't some unstoppable force of nature that we just have to accept. No, this is a choice. As a country, we are standing at a crossroads, and the path we choose right now is going to define our economy for generations to come.
This slide just lays out the choice perfectly. Picture an office building. In one room, a CEO is seeing a demo of how AI can wipe out 40% of their staff. But what about the people in the room next door? The old way is to just fire them. The UpSkill USA way is to walk into that room and invest in those same employees, retraining them for new, more valuable roles.
I mean, that's really the question, isn't it? Do we look at our own people as our most valuable asset and invest in them? Or do we see them as just a cost on a spreadsheet that needs to be cut?
You know, this country has always risen to meet big challenges. This is our generation's moment. This is our call to action. And it's not a story about decline, it's a story about resilience and renewal. It's time to roll up our sleeves and build a plan for that renewal.
Okay, so what is the plan? This isn't just some vague idea. It's a practical, community-first blueprint for getting this done, and it's called UpSkill USA.
At the very heart of this model is what's called the Nexus Point. It's a smart local partnership. It brings together the three pillars you find in every American town. The community college brings the teaching expertise. City Hall brings the policy support and a place for the community to gather. And the Chamber of Commerce connects all this new talent with local businesses. Together, they create this powerful engine for local economic transformation.
And the pathway to get there is a really clear three-step process. First, you train the trainers. You get community college professors up to speed so they can be the change agents. Second, you build a practical, hands-on curriculum that's ready for the AI age. And third, and this is crucial, you partner directly with local employers to figure out exactly what skills they need.
And this isn't just about a bunch of random local efforts. It's a national system that's designed to scale up. Take a look at this flowchart for a second. Up at the top, you've got a national brain trust coordinating everything, and an institute to train educators.
All that support then flows down to the local level, empowering the community colleges, the city halls, and the chambers of commerce to do that vital, on-the-ground work of reskilling our workforce. It's a whole system, from the big picture strategy all the way to local impact.
Now, the most important point is this. This is not just an idea on paper. This model has actually been tested out in the real world, and guess what? It works.
Let's look at the pilot program they ran in South Florida. UpSkill USA brought together Broward College, a couple of local city governments, and the Chamber of Commerce. They held these hands-on workshops right inside City Hall, training dozens of local business owners. We're talking everyone from florists to plumbers, and built custom AI action plans right there for their businesses.
And here's what that impact looks like for a real person. There was a local florist totally overwhelmed by the Mother's Day rush. She went to one of these workshops. A professor there helped her use AI to generate a complete social media plan that helped her get orders 2 weeks earlier. That one simple thing transformed her business. That's a practical, immediate result.
And the benefit for the actual worker? It is huge. Studies are showing that workers with AI skills can earn a wage premium of up to 56%. So this isn't just about keeping a job. It's about creating better paying, more secure jobs. This is how we start to rebuild the financial security of the American middle class.
So you see, this is so much more than a program. It really is a national mission, a movement to secure America's economic future by investing in our own people.
The choice, when you look at this chart, it's just stark. The cost of doing nothing is that $1.2 trillion in wages at risk. But the value of taking action? A resilient AI-ready middle class with over 10 million workers upskilled and ready for the future. We have to make this investment now, before it's too late. So here's the call to action. The ask is for federal GI Bill level funding to launch the UpSkill USA initiative in 10 pilot cities across the country. This first phase will let us perfect the playbook before we roll it out to the entire nation.
This is the vision. It's a mission to rebuild the American middle class, not by fighting against technology, but by putting it to work for us. And you know, the most important word on this entire slide? Together.
You know, in the end, we always seem to frame this whole challenge as us versus the machine. But what if that's completely the wrong way to look at it? The real opportunity here is America amplified by the machine. A future where technology makes us better, stronger, and more innovative. The only real question left is, are we ready to build it? Thanks for tuning in.